Yeah, gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey love bugs, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So the unit I am going to be reviewing today was sent to me by Jurllyshe. Shout out to you Jurllyshe for sending me this unit. Right here I am showing you guys the cap construction, and it does come with two combs in the front, one comb in the back with adjustable straps, and it is a lace closure part wig. And the color, as you guys can see, is 99J. And yeah, y'all, that is basically it. I'm gonna get into more details and specs about this unit later on in the outro portion of this video. So if you're interested in all that, then please continue to watch, and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye. Okay, y'all, so I am obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you are interested in the details, the specs, and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue. First, I want to address the elephant in the room, okay? Yes, there is a spot on my turtleneck. Yes, it is my makeup. Yes, when I put my turtleneck over my head, my makeup got on my shirt, doggone it, okay? So don't judge me, girl. Don't judge me. You've had those moments too. Okay, y'all, so this unit was sent to me by Jurllyshe Hair. Shout out to you, Jurllyshe, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. The unit that I am rocking is their Jurllyshe 150% density Burgundy lace part closure human hair wig, straight hair, colored 99J, okay? So it says color burgundy, density 150%, and I have this unit in 14 inches, okay, girl? So this is 150% density. As far as I can see, it only comes in 150% density. So keep that in mind. It says brand name, Jurllyshe. Child, I feel like I just be butchering it. I really need to watch somebody's video that's not illiterate, okay? Because I am getting this all wrong. I just feel like I am. Okay, it says Jurllyshe human hair, material 100% human hair, wig straight. I mean, the texture is straight. Feature pre-plucked natural hairline, can be dyed, bleached, and permed. Colored. Okay, so it's colored 99J. And it says cap construction, lace part wig, lace material, Swiss lace, and medium brown color. And blase, honey. Okay, girl. Okay, so this unit, it does come as a straight wig, as you guys saw when I took it out of the packaging. It did have like that little flowy feel to it, just like the other Jurllyshe unit that I reviewed, the one with the highlights. It still had that like sort of flowy feel to it. So yeah, but it is a straight wig. Now this unit, if I'm not mistaken, does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, and it does have that little 4x4 thing in it. Maybe you can see it. It starts about right there and it goes on back. So it does come with that. And as far as it being tangly or shed, child, it does not tangle or shed whatsoever. This hair is 150% density, and it is like, this is all of the hair, so it's not a whole lot of hair. On top of that, I did add a few layers, okay, which basically thins a unit out. So this look of this unit has a very, very natural like feel to it. It's super, super, super lightweight, child, okay? So keep that in mind. Okay, so as far as the parting space, like, you guys see where the part at. You cannot part this wig anywhere else. Like, you can shift it, because basically when you get the lace, it's gonna like look like you have to wear it in the middle part. I just shifted it. Now granted, this thing is on top of my ear over here, okay? Can you see it? It's on top of my ear. So, and that is because of the shift, but I want to wear it as a side part. So you just got to kind of pick your struggle, girl, okay? If you don't want a middle part, your ear might have to suffer a little bit. So you just pick your struggle, okay? My struggle is that my big ears are gonna be suffocated on one side. This side is just fine. That ear is out, girl. But this side, child, my ear is going through it, okay? So keep that in mind when it comes to these units. You can shift them, but the wig is gonna be, if your ears are as big as mine, okay? Like, if your ears are normal and they stop right here, you're good, girl. But if you have ears like mine, I have big ears, then you know they're gonna suffer a little bit, okay? So I want you guys to keep that in mind. Now this unit is 99J. This is more of the redder 99J. This isn't a darker red. I feel like the color is coming off on camera the way that it actually looks in person. It is dark outside, so I'm using my lights. Like, I'm really relying on my lights. So yeah, I do feel like it's coming off the color that it actually is. So yeah, I want you guys to keep that in mind. It's more of a redder 99J. I love 99J. You can't go wrong with 99J. Okay, so obviously, since this unit is a 14-inch wig, I don't have to do a length check, because honey, this is it. No Michael Jackson, okay, girl. This is it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into how I feel about this unit, and if you're interested in that, girl, then please continue to watch. Okay, so I'm gonna be honest with y'all. This was another wig that I really wasn't expecting to like, and once I got it on and saw the color like really on my skin, I was like, oh, okay. Okay, girl. Okay, I'm feeling it. I think it is really, really cute. Another thing that I was a little bit worried about was the density of it. It is not a lot of hair whatsoever, so I was a little wary about that. But with the way that I styled it, I think it came out good, even with the density. Like, normally I only prefer 150% density in a wig that is like a bob, but for somehow girl, I'm talking for somehow this works, and it's probably because it's 14 inches, is not super long. I am not sure how it would come off longer, but in this length it works, girl. Okay, so I'm feeling it. Y'all can let me know what you think, but I think it's a vibe, girl. It's a vibe to me, okay? So just let me know what you guys think down below. Is it a vibe to you, girl? Let me know. And yeah, as far as styling goes, I did use my Demert wig and weave lusterizer and conditioner. And y'all, I have been really dependent on this lately. I like this stuff. I'd used that and I flat ironed it, and I kind of just like flipped it away from my face. And I wanted to kind of style it the way that I used to wear my hair back when I was on the cream crack, girl, okay? Back when I used to wear a relaxer, this is basically how I styled my hair. And my hair was roughly this length, a little bit longer before I started really chomping in it, okay? After I had Juicy, I did start to let it grow, but before, you know, this is basically a go-to style for me, honey, okay? You couldn't tell me nothing. So that was kind of the look that I was going for. And I think I achieved it. I think it is a look. I think it is a vibe. I think it is a good everyday wig despite the color. I had to wait to review this particular wig because I can't wear this color to work. Okay, I can get away with some of the colors, girl, but I can't wear this color to work. Okay. So yeah, I'm feeling it. It's a vibe. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And I'm going to just kind of stand up so you can see how it hits in the back. And, this is it on the right side. Y'all, I feel like I have stiff neck because I'm like, I am not getting any more makeup on my shirt. I love this sweater. It's so cute. Like, ugh, so annoying. Anyways, y'all, that is basically it. If you are interested in this wig, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And y'all, honey, we done, girl. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Healthy Missy on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.